everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video, we're going to be unboxing my summer Fab Fit Fun box. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this box got pretty beat up. Before we get into it, let me let you know that I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is Nimities.com. The link is in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. Also, if you like this video while you're watching it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. Also, if you have not yet subscribed yet, if you would like to hit that red subscribe button, I always appreciate that as well. And any comments you might have, let me see those in the comment section down below. So, I'm probably the last person to post this video because my box kind of got lost. Number one, I do pay for my box. I don't get PR, so this is not sent to me. I do pay for it. It got pretty beat up. It got lost. It said it was going to show up, then it didn't. Then the next day it said it was going to show up, then it didn't. Then the next day it said it was going to show up, then it didn't. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the box. It finally showed up today, by the way, which is good because I'm about to head out for vacation tomorrow, literally leaving my house. It is 9:13 in the evening. I'm leaving my house tomorrow at noon. I haven't packed yet. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get into the box. This is what it looks like. The Fab Fit Fun box always has a nice little magazine in it, which will tell me all about the products. And then it also talks about how you can use the products and everything like that. So that's what the box looks like on the inside. I'm going to go ahead and tear the paper open, and then we can start to get into the products. Fab Fit Fun is a quarterly box, not a monthly box. So if you were wondering, that's why it only comes quarterly. It is a little bit more expensive. I think it's $49.99. You can find codes everywhere online to get your first box like $10 off. Again, I don't get a box, so I'm not I don't have a code or anything like that, but lots of people do. So I'm sure you could go find a code pretty easily. Just search Fab Fit Fun on YouTube and I'm sure you can find a code. So this is the booklet. You can go in and look at all of the items, and I will be referring to them here as we go. When you subscribe, you can pick so many of the items, and so many other the items they just give you, they select for you. Sorry if you hear my dog barking. I'm pretty sure you can. I don't know what she's barking at. Beats the heck out of me. All right. Let's go ahead and start with this right here. So this is the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. All right, I shut the door, so hopefully you won't hear her barking anymore. This is the Essential C Cleanser. This is one of the items that they picked for me. And I do like Murad cleansers. I've actually used several of them before, and I do like them. There is a safety seal on this, which is awesome, so I'm not going to open it right now. But this is the Murad Essential C Cleanser, like I said. It says, use the antioxidant-rich citrus cleanser to remove impurities and awaken the senses. So there you go. All right, let's keep going. Oh, my table is full. Okay. All right, let's pull this out next. This is one of their picks as well. It is from Makeup Drop, who makes those silicone sponges, for lack of a better term. And this is the Maximum Application Control Makeup Drop. So it says it's a hybrid. It has, I can't get the package open really easy. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it is a sponge for the most part, and then on the front end here, I think you guys can see that, it's just kind of like silicone-y. So, all right, so this is the Makeup Drop Hybrid Makeup Applicator. This applicator features a silicone side and latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish. So I assume you'd wet the sponge like normal, use it like this for your foundation, and then I guess for your concealer you could use it like this. I don't know. I have one of the plain silicone ones. I think they're kind of gimmicky, to be honest with you. That's my opinion. Allegedly, not necessarily, but that's just my opinion. But anyway, that's kind of cute, kind of neat to get. All right, next up, I'm going to try to pull the last item out that is, yeah, this is the last item that is their pick. So this is the original roll-on fragrance oil from Riddle. It's the original. Let's see if I can smell it. I can't really smell it. I put hand lotion on before I turned on the camera, and that's all I can smell right now. All right, so this is the Riddle Oil Original Roll-On. This perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that's unique to you. All right. I just can't. All I smell is the hand lotion. All right. Anyway, that's kind of cute. It says it's $50, but I have a really hard time believing that this little vial is $50. I don't know. What do I know? I know nothing. Okay, so those are the first 3 items. Those are the Fab Fit Fun picks. So there are 5 other alternative areas, 3 of which I was able to pick, and then 4 and 5 you only get to choose if you are an annual subscriber, which I am not. I'm a quarterly subscriber. So I've thought about going to annual, but I just haven't bit the bullet and done it. So, all right, let's go ahead. I'm going to pull out the 2 items that I did not select first. So this is one from the number 5. I have got to take some time and clean off my desk. I'll tell you what. This is the Lifestyle Co. Beach Mist. That's what it looks like. No, this is not it. This is from number 4. I'm sorry. Number 4, Zoe Ayla Ice Roller. All right, I cut it open. I think I might end up giving this away because I think I have one like this. But this is the Ice Baby. Reduce puffy eyes and rejuvenate tired skin. Sorry, I thought this was the Beach Mist, which is the next item I'm going to pull out. So this is one of those things where you like put it in the freezer and then it gets really cold and then you can use it to like depuff your skin, which is kind of cool. There's that. This is the number 5, the Beach Mist. This is from the Lifestyle Co. Let's get this open, and I just tore the crap out of the box. My scissors just caught it just right, and it came out. Okay, so this is the Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. That's kind of interesting. I happen to be going to the shore tomorrow, so I'll probably pack this. It smells really good, except that I just got it up my nose. All right, it says reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. So that's pretty cool. I do bring aloe vera with me every time I go to the shore. I also use 100 SPF because I am pale as a ghost and I burn very, very easily. So yeah. All right, the last 3 items in here I did select. So let's go ahead and go through them. Let's pull this out first. This is from Michael Kors, and this is part of the second group. Oh, I guess I should tell you what the other alternatives were, huh? So for 5, I got the Beach Mist. You could also get an Isaac Mizrahi vase, or a vase, which looks like that right there. You could get the Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray or the Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum, which are these 2 items right here. And then for number 4, you could get the Terry Marie Aloe and Tea Tree Toner, the Ice Roller, or the Silk Satin Pillow Sleeve, which are there. There's the roller and there's the pillow sleeve. So, all right. This is the Michael Kors. This is from the 2 group. This is the Bedford Travel Passport Wallet. I don't travel very often. I'd like to. Just as I said, I'm going to the shore next week, right? But I take like 2 times a year that I actually take time off work. I usually end up having to get to the end of the year and then having to take my leave because I haven't taken it all year long, if that makes sense. All right, so this is a wallet on this side, and then this side is a little pocket that you can put your passport in, which is kind of nice. I did select this item just because, honestly, the other items were not, the other items didn't seem interesting to me. Sorry, I wanted to pull the little paper out of there. So, yeah, that's kind of nice. It says Michael Kors on it, and you can put your passport in and your credit cards and stuff. So this is the Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet. This sleek wallet keeps your passport, credit cards, and boarding pass super organized. I fly like hardly ever. I used to have jobs. Some of my jobs that I've had in the past, I've had to travel a lot more often and flying, which kind of stinks. But more recently here, I have traveled very, very little, which I'm very appreciative of. Not a big fan of flying. So other than this, you could get the Business and Pleasure Co. Cooler Bag, the Hydropeptide Moisture Reset Face Oil, or the Isaac Mizrahi Blue and White Kimono, and the R&Co. Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. So it's that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. So, all right. Next item I'm going to pull out is from the 3 group. And it is this right here. It is the Tom's sunglasses. Comes in a little pouch, which is kind of nice. And, ooh, they're green. That's kind of cool. So that's what they look like. They literally are green. That's actually kind of cool. Let's see. Ooh. They look cute. I don't know. They're like a flat black, which is kind of cool. Okay. So the description for this is, let's look it up. The Tom's Sydney sunglasses. The oversized and slightly cat-eye frames make for a classic shape to add to your collection. I'm always appreciative of sunglasses because I have a really fat head. I have a wide head. So sunglasses for me are really difficult to find. And these ones, although they're somewhat comfortable, they're not pinching my head too much, so they might work, but oftentimes sunglasses will pinch like right in here, and these ones actually don't feel like they're doing that too much, so these might work. All right, the other options in the 3rd category include the Giving Keys mini key necklace, which is right there, the Kula Mineral Face Organic Matte Finish Sunscreen, or the Mineral Face Matte Finish Cucumber Sunscreen, which are these 2 here. And then the sunglasses, which is what I got. The Black Peel Off Mask and Hydrogel Eye Mask with Hyaluronic Acid, which is this one right here. The Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, which is on the bottom. And then at the top, the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, which I've actually gotten before, I think in my Fab Fit Fun. All right, and then the last item in my box is from category number 1. I picked this item out as well. It is a little like straw bag. Let me get it out of the plastic. But this is the Draper James straw bag with floral scarf. Outfitted with a floral scarf, this flirty bag matches all your warm weather outfits. So yeah, it's got a little scarf. And then the inside of the bag looks like that. So that's actually pretty nice. So it's got a little zipper pouch in there. This would be nice just to like take with me to the shore, which I think is what I'm going to do. There it is. All right. So the other options in the category 1 is the L Space tie-dye towel, which is right here. The Pottery Barn Mason Ceramic Diffuser in Solstice, which is right there. The Yumi Kim Wireless Charging Pad, which I have like 4 of those in my house, so I didn't need that. Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream, which is right there. And then the Lashes MD Eyelash Conditioner, which is right there. So that is all the options. Oh, I forgot to tell you, the other Fab Fit Fun picks that you could have gotten that I did not get. So there's 7 alternatives, and you get 3 of them. They had the Wander Beauty Baggage Gleam eye masks, the Spongel Coconut Verbena hand cream, which is right there, the Cali Cosmetics foot cream with menthol and Taroka, which is right there, and the Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil, which is right there. Overall, let's go back through the items that I got. I got the bag, which I picked out, and I really like that little scarf. That's nice. The sunglasses, and then the wallet. Those are the 3 items I picked out. And then the items that I got that I didn't pick out are the ice roller, which might actually come to one of you all, the beach mist, which I'm going to take with me to the shore, the makeup drop sponge, the perfume. Yep, that's everything. Overall, am I pleased with this? I paid $50. I actually am really pleased with this, even if just for the sunglasses and the bag. It seems to me, now I have not gotten this. Oh, the Murad cleanser. I forgot the Murad cleanser, which I do like that too. Yeah, that's everything. I haven't gotten this that long, but I feel like the summer bag or summer box is always the best. That's my humble opinion. That's what I have found from my experience with this. I have not liked all of the Fab Fit Fun boxes I've gotten, and I've actually considered canceling it a couple of times now because I haven't been overtly thrilled with the boxes. But the summer box seems to always be good. So maybe what I'll do is I'll cancel and just buy the summer box. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, that is my entire unboxing. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, a thumbs up down below is always appreciated. If you haven't already and you would like to come back and see me again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the alerts or the bell so you can get alerted when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, go ahead and leave those in the comment section down below. Do you get FabFitFun or is it just not worth it to you? Let me know in the comment section. And if you do get it, what did you get? Let me know. I would love to hear. And are you happy with the items you got? I'd love to hear that as well. Anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!